All are present? Today I will be teaching coordination chemistry or complex compound.
Sir, for alcohol phenol ether.
I will take a revision class in that. Okay, next class.
Yes, sir.
Ruchi, do you know what is coordination chemistry? Yes or no?
Sir, in this we study about complex formation.
Yes. So do you know what is complex? Anybody have got the knowledge about complex compound?
Sir, any compound that contains multiple anions and cations.
Yes. So,
Any compound.
other answer? How many type of salt? Salt are how many type?
ऑनलाइन रे जे अछो तोर कैमरा ऑन रखो.
Salt are how many type?
There's 3 types.
Who said?
Sir, such as mother.
Suchi Smita. Suchi, salt are 6 types. 6 type. So let me say about the salt, then only I will start. One is a normal salt. Any salt you do not know, you have to tell me. One is a normal salt, another is acidic salt, next is basic salt, next is double salt, one is complex salt, one is cationic salt, another is anionic salt. How many type? Normal, acidic, basic, double, complex, and another is a mixed salt. Mixed salt again of 2 type. One is cationic, another is anionic salt. कितना type salt हुआ?
6 types.
6 type of salt. Normal salt. Do you know normal salt?
Salts which are formed by complete neutralization of acids and bases.
Very good, very good, very good. Correct answer. And acidic salt?
Incomplete neutralization of acid and base.
Correct. So, how do you recognize acidic salt?
Sir, it has a replaceable H plus ion.
Very good. So you know. So you know acidic salt, basic salt, normal salt. Now, double salt, do you know?
No, sir.
Double salt means two salt को crystallize together. 2 salts are crystallized together to form double salt. जैसे कि ferrous ammonium sulfate, यानी कि ferrous sulfate, ammonium sulfate, .6 water. So that is called a double salt. Or potash alum. Potash alum, K2SO4, Al2SO4 whole thrice, .24 water. Potash alum. Do you know potash alum? Have you got knowledge about potash alum? Yes or no? Boys? हमारी mind.
No, sir.
Very bad. Hey, who said no? Please raise your hand. Kamali.
Yes, sir.
Hey, just let me give you an example. Do you go to the salon? In the salon for shaving?
Yes, sir.
That fitkiri, whatever we use, all boys, this is the example. So fitkiri, are you understanding the word fitkiri?
Yes, sir.
The white crystal, after shaving, they rub on your cheek. So
Yes, sir.
that is called potash alum. Potash alum is a K2SO4, Al2SO4 whole thrice, dot 24 water. That is your potash alum. That is antiseptic, so coagulate blood. That means if there is a cut, so it coagulates. That means for quick coagulation, so we use potash alum, K2SO4, Al2SO4, whole thrice, dot 24 water, double salt. So once more, listen, what is double salt? Double salt are those which is formed by crystallization of two salts. Whenever two salts are added together and crystallized, the new salt formed is a double salt. Double salt means two salts. Ferrous ammonium sulfate, ferrous sulfate, ammonium sulfate, dot 6 water, and potash alum. There are a number of double salts are there. So I have given only two examples. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Double salt is over. Now next is your complex salt. Ruchi, what is complex salt?
Do not know.
Yes?
Don't know, sir.
Don't. Hamali? Ananya? You gave yes.
So the salt which contains multiple cations and anions.
Multiple cations and anions. So you are partially correct. So complex salt are those in which the certain cations and anions are hidden. Cations and anions are hidden. So what does it mean? Actually, what is the meaning? So let me start. Say, ferrous sulfate plus KCN. Now, whenever these two salts are added together, so it forms K4 FeCN6. Is it visible? Board is visible?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So this forms a complex salt. But whenever ferrous sulfate plus ammonium sulfate are heated together, so it forms ferrous sulfate, ammonium sulfate, this is double, this is complex. One is a double salt, another is a complex salt. Are you clear?
Yes, sir.
Now, so more things I have to tell. In a double salt, say this is a double salt, ferrous ammonium sulfate. This is ferrous sulfate, ammonium sulfate, .6 water. Whenever it is dissolved in water, so whenever it is dissolved in water, you will be getting all the ions, ferrous ion, sulfate ion, ammonium ion, all, it shows all ion because ferrous sulfate contains iron and sulfate, ammonium sulfate contains ammonium ion and sulfate ion. This shows the presence of all the ions, ferrous ion, ammonium ion as well as sulfate ion. Could you follow or not?
Yes, sir.
Sir.
Okay. For similarly, potash alum formula is here K2SO4 Al2SO4 whole thrice .24 water. This is called pitigiri. So here, so when it dissolved in water, so can you tell me what are the ions present?
K plus ion, SO4 2 minus ion, and Al plus 3 ion.
K plus ion, SO4 2 minus ion and aluminum ion. It shows all the ions. Clear?
Yes, sir.
Now, I would like to come for next is here ferrous sulfate whenever added, mixed with potassium cyanide. It does not form a double salt, it forms a complex salt. It forms complex salt. When it dissolved in water, K4, Fe, CN6, whenever it is dissolved in water, so it forms 4K plus Fe, CN6, 4 minus, a simple ion and a complex ion. It gives a simple ion and a complex ion. So can you tell me what is the total number of ions present here for K4 Fe6? Moink,
5.
correct. So total is 4 and this is 1. So total number of ions are 5. 5 ions. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Now, whenever potassium ferrocyanide is dissolved in water, it gives a complex ion and a simple ion. Gives a simple ion and a complex ion. Clear? Now, complex compound are those which when dissolved in water, so it forms a simple ion and a complex ion. Ananya, are you clear? Write down everybody one line. When complex compound, write down, when complex compound is dissolved in water, it gives simple ion and complex ion. Okay, one more example. Copper sulfate on dissociation, it gives copper 2 plus ion plus SO4 2 minus ion, but the complex CuNH3 whole 4 whole square bracket sulfate, this gives you CuNH3 whole 4 2 plus SO4 2 minus. What is the total number of ion? Here 2. Here also 2. But this is complex ion and this is your simple ion. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Now I would like to compare. So if I ask right now, so what do you mean by complex compound or complex salt?
Salts which have a simple ion and complex ion.
Or a complex salt which when dissolved in water or it dissociate to give a complex ion and a simple ion. So थोड़ा अभी सुनना पड़ेगा. In this case, ferrous sulfate plus KCN, so it forms K4FeCN6. Whenever it dissolved in water, so it dissociates into K plus FeCN6 minus. That means, so if you go for the chemical test, so it gives the test of potassium only potassium ion. No question of iron and cyanide. Although iron and cyanide both are present, it will not give the chemical test of this. That means complex compound, other definition, complex compound are those where the identity of some ion are lost. Right down. Complex compound are those in which the identity of some cations and anions, the identity of some cations and anions are lost. Or hidden. The identity of cations and anions are hidden. Nikha,
Yes, sir.
did you understand?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Already written? Suchi, read out what you wrote.
Complex compounds are those in which the identity of some cations or anions are lost or hidden.
Correct. Now, next, I want to tell a example cum story. Actually, what is the meaning of identity of some cations and anions are lost? Everybody listen carefully. I want to give an example. Whenever you are in class 5 or 6, any disturbance in the class occurs, so you report to your class teacher or principal. If principal asks what happened in the class, you do not hesitate to tell, so what happened in the class. That is in the class 5, 6, 7, 8. But whenever you reach to the class 9, something happens, some nuisance happen in the class. You do not tell to the class teacher even. You don't tell. So you keep quiet. If class teacher asks, what happened? I don't know. I don't know, sir. I don't know, miss. So this is in the class 9 it happens. Come to the class 10, so the same thing happen. If principal asks what happened, so you hide. You don't say, so what happened. Come to the class 11 and 12. So in the class 11, 12, anything wrong goes inside the class. Neither you report to your class teacher nor to the principal. If they ask, so you keep quiet, you don't say anything. And also parents, you don't tell to your parents even in the class on 11 and 12. So that means, so you are hiding the thing. Next, so if you go to any professional college and this, so neither to your class teacher, principal or parents or to the friends even, whoever your close friend, you don't say, you hide everything to all four. That means, I mean to say, a simple heart of class 5 and 6 becoming a complex heart, so in the +3, +2, +3. That means you hide all the things in your heart. That means a simple heart becoming a complex heart. Certain things are hidden. That means, I mean to say, the hiding thing is a complex in chemistry. That is, in the complex compound, the test of cations and anions are hidden or the identity is lost. That means a small child loses the identity whenever so he or she becomes youth. That is the identity. A child becomes more complex. So in the youth, is it clear to you?
Yes, sir.
Did you understand?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
So that means that identity is lost. So you hide the thing. Anyway, now I am coming to the here introduction part is over. Now come for the general formula of the complex is MLN x plus or minus. You have to write where M is the metal, L is the ligand, N is the coordination number, X plus or minus is the charge. Copy it. Copied? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
So here M is the metal atom or central metal cation, L is the ligand, C is the coordination number, this is the charge of the complex. So first point, so which term you don't understand? I have written 4 term. कौन सा term समझ में नहीं आया?
Ligand.
Okay, we'll start with this. Write down ligand. Write down ligand. Ligand are those which can donate a lone pair of electron, which can donate a lone pair of electron to the central metal cation, which can donate a lone pair of electron to the central metal cation. Once more, ligand are those which can donate a lone pair of electron to the central metal cation. Clear?
Yes.
Example of a ligand. Write down one example. Ammonia. Ammonia is a ligand. Water is a ligand. pH3 is a ligand. All can donate a lone pair of electron to the central metal cation. Clear? Next, type of ligands. Type. Type of ligand. Ligand are of three types. Positive ligand, negative ligand, and neutral ligand. Okay,
Yes, sir.
write down about positive ligand. So what is positive ligand? Dear student, just I want to ask. Sir will send a PDF. I have shared one PDF of coordination compound, so he will be sharing with you. So that means exactly all notes with PDF, because so ligand are a vast, a million of the ligands are there. Million of the ligands are there. So it is difficult to tell all the ligand at a time to you. At least 20-30 ligand list I have given in that PDF. So he will be sharing. Okay? Sir will share to you all. ठीक है?
Yes, sir.
Okay. A positive ligand. पहले सुन लो. What is positive ligand? So what is ligand? Ligand are those which can donate a pair of electrons. That means a ligand having positive charge and also donate a pair of electrons to the central metal cation is called positive ligand. Negative ligand, a ligand having negative charge and also donate the lone pair of electron to the central metal cation is called negative ligand. And a neutral ligand, so ligand having no charge, but it can donate the pair of electron to the central metal cation is called neutral ligand. So can you write all three definitions?
Yes, sir.
Write down of yourself. Write down ligand having positive charge and can donate. Ligand having positive charge and can donate a pair of electrons to the central metal cation. To the central metal cation is known as positive ligand. Similarly, negative ligand you write. A ligand having negative charge and also donate a pair of electrons to the central metal cation is called negative ligand. Neutral ligand. Neutral ligand has no charge. Neutral ligand has no charge. Moink क्यों नहीं लिख रहे बाबा?
लिखिए सर।
लिख लिया था? Okay. A neutral ligand has no charge, can donate a pair of electrons to the central metal cation. Clear?
Yes sir.
Now, example of the negative ligands, positive ligands. Example of positive ligands, bit 1. NO plus N2H4 plus this is a positive ligand. They are less in number. Negative ligand. Example: OH minus, Cl minus, Br minus, I minus, Cl minus, S2 minus, S2O3, 2 minus, SO3, 2 minus, SO4, 2 minus, etc. Board is visible or not?
Visual sir.
Yes or no?
Yes sir.
Okay. This is negative ligand. Neutral ligand. Ammonia, water, pH3, pyridine, one more, NH2, CH2, NH2, the name is ethylene diamine. All are neutral ligand, etc. There are so many. Naming of negative ligand. Khireshwari, गोटे एग्जांपल दलु नेगेटिव लिगेंड रे देख OH माइनस सूची
minus.
Cl minus. Mayank?
Br minus.
Huh?
Br minus.
Br minus. हमारी
SO4 2 minus.
SO4 2 minus. प्रज्ञा?
S2 minus.
हाँ?
S2 minus.
की minus?
S2 minus.
S2 minus. Okay. पहले सुना देखो. So here, so whenever naming is concerned for negative ligand are named usual name minus E plus O. I mean to say negative ligand are named the as usual name minus E plus O. Did you understand?
Yes, sir.
Sir.
Say for example, sulfate SO4 2 minus. The name is here sulfate minus E plus O. अभी पढ़ो तो क्या हुआ?
Sulfato.
Sulfato. तो whenever it forms a complex, इसका नाम हो जाएगा sulfato. So OH minus, Kireswari.
Yes, sir.
Now you tell what will the name of OH minus? बताओ जैसे रूल बताया बताओ.
Sir, hydroxide.
So OH minus is your hydroxide. Hydroxide minus E plus O. Hydroxide DO. Hydroxido. Are you clear? इसका नाम क्या होगा? Hydroxido. Similarly, Pragya, you gave the name S minus 2. इसका नाम क्या होगा? हाँ, सुनाई नहीं जा रहा मेरे को?
Sulfide.
हाँ, correct. This is your sulfide. Very easy. Minus E plus O. This is sulfido. Okay. Did you understand?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
For nitrate, nitrato. For nitrite, nitrato. Thiosulfide, thiosulfato. For phosphide, phosphido. For cyanide, cyanido. For cyanido. So remember, for OH minus, hydroxido or other name is hydroxo. Hydroxy. And for Cl minus, is it visible that line, last line?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Cyan, this is cyanido or cyano. The old name is cyano, the new name is cyanido, so both are acceptable. Hydroxido and hydroxy. Okay, naming is over. Naming of the all ligand is over. Now, positive ligand, how to name? Negative ligand is over. Positive ligand. For positive ligand, just add suffix is here IUM for positive ligand. Okay, now you see, for example, NO plus, Barigavu, Suchismita,
Yes, sir.
Pragya,
Then nitrogen.
Snigdha, Snigdha is present or not? Hello? Snigdha?
Yes, absent, sir.
Snigdha is absent. Okay, NO plus. What will be the name? Suchismita.
Nitrosonium.
This is a simple NO name is nitrosyl. This is a nitro SYL. खाली NO का नाम है नाइट्रोसिल. प्लस होने से अभी पढ़ो क्या लिखा?
Nitrosonium.
Nitrosilium. Hey, is it a boring chapter or interesting?
Interesting chapter.
Okay, at last we will discuss. And N2H4 plus. N2H4, so what is the name? हाइड्रोजन. इसका नाम क्या होगा? पढ़ो क्या लिखा? हाइड्रोजेनियम. आज you say ammonium NH4 plus, H3O plus, hydronium, similarly nitrosilium and hydrogenium. अरे एक बार मुंह से बोलो तो सही. हाइड्रोजेनियम तुम लोग प्रैक्टिस करेगा. Are you clear? Hydrogenium, nitrosilium, hydronium, ammonium, all positive ligands are with the suffix IUM. Now come for neutral. Written no specific rule for neutral ligand. There is no specific name for neutral ligand. There is no specific name for neutral ligand except water and ammonia. For water, it is aqua. For water, it is aqua. Aqua guard तुम लोग बोलते हैं, so ये है aqua. Ammonia, आज amine. Here spelling, take the little care for the spelling mistake. Amin. I have written A-M-M-I-N-E. Amin. If you write single M, 0 mark. Amin. Over.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Now, I am coming for classification of ligand. Now I'll ask, so what do you mean by ligand? Come on, what do you mean by ligand?
Those who can donate lone pair of electron.
Okay, now I'll ask, how many lone pair they will donate? खमारी अरे बताओ कितना लोन पेयर?
Pair.
हाँ बताओ तो अनन्या कितने पेयर? यस हाँ वन. सुनो, at least one ligand can donate at least one lone pair, that is called ligand. It can donate 2 pair, it can donate 3 pair, it can donate 4 pair, it can donate 5 pair, it can donate 6 pair of ligand, maximum 6 pair. It depends upon the how many lone pair is donated is known as denticity. थोड़ा सुन लो, इसका बाद लिखेंगे. थोड़ा सुन लो. The number of lone pair donated by the ligand is called denticity. Right? The number of lone pair, donated the number of lone pair donated by the ligand is called denticity. Denticity, can you write the spelling of denticity?
Yes, sir.
Okay. That is classification of ligand में. So you write down A is monodentate, bidentate, tridentate, tetradentate, pentadentate, hexadentate ligand. So here I am telling the definition, so you can manage. So listen, Ananya,
Yes, sir.
your face is not visible.
I was fixing my.
Okay. So monodentate, if a ligand can donate a pair, one pair is called monodentate. If it donate two pair is called bidentate. Three pair tridentate. Four pair tetradentate. Five pair pentadentate. Six pair hexadentate ligand. So you can write. Any doubt? पूछो अभी. If you have doubt, please ask me. Definition मत लिखो, just समझ जाओ. Monodentate, bidentate, tridentate, tetradentate, pentadentate, hexadentate ligand. Now I am coming for one example. Bidentate ligand. I forgot your name. Who is sitting beside Nikhat?
Sinjan.
What's your name?
Sinjan.
So you tell bidentate ligand means what?
There will donate two pair of electrons.
Very good. So can you give an example of a bidentate ligand? Okay, let me give the example. Ethylene diamine. The second one is the correct method of writing. The first one is wrong method of writing. Because, so N is connected to the carbon. This is your ethylene diamine. The symbol is your En. Symbol is here En, ethylene diamine. Clear?
Yes, sir.
Similarly, tridentate ligand, that is triethylene diamine. So here NH2, CH2, CH2, NH, CH2, CH2, NH2. Three nitrogen atom can donate. 3 nitrogen can donate. So this is the can you name the ligand? Ethylene triamine. So here, this is ethylene, this is triamine, correct. This is your trine. The symbol is your twin. This is in. This is twin. Similarly, hexadentate ligand. This question comes, give an example of hexadentate ligand. Hexadentate ligand is your EDTA. The full form of EDTA, radom, ethylene diamine tetraacetate. Ethylene diamine tetraacetate. Would you like to see the structure?
Yes, sir.
Okay. The EDTA structure is a ethylene diamine. This is a this question come. Ethylene diamine tetraacetate. Who can say, so from which atom there will be donation?
Nitrogen.
Okay, nitrogen 1, nitrogen 2. ये तो bidentate हो गया.
CH3CO.
This O minus here, 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 here. That means 6 center. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So, for which it is known as hexadentate ligand. Now come for ambidentate ligand. Radon ambidentate ligand are those. Ambidentate ligand are those in which donation of lone pair of electron, donation of lone pair of electron can be done by any atom, by any atom. For example, Ananya, what is the name of this?
Night.
हाँ लिगैंड का नाम बताओ.
नाइट्रेटो.
Correct. Nitrito, I can write N double bond O minus. O minus. The donation can be done either by nitrogen or by oxygen. So this is called ambidentate ligand. Could you follow or not?
Yes, sir.
So whenever for any donation people comes to your house, either your mother can give or father can give the donation. So here nitrogen can donate or oxygen can donate. That is called ambidentate ligand. Now come for type of complex. Type of complex. Complex are of three types. Cationic, anionic, or neutral. First you understand, then you write cationic complex. If the complex part means square bracket part acts as your cation. This is your complex part, your cation with simple anion. This is called cationic complex, or a cation having positive charge, cationic complex. Anionic complex, a simple cation followed by a complex part, anion. That means a complex ion having negative charge. Neutral complex, no charge. Neither cation or anion is present in the complex. This is a cationic complex, anionic complex, and neutral complex.
Physical chemistry.
Reader, inorganic.
Inorganic.
Are you clear?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
So that means you can answer one question. So can you recognize I am writing some complexes, whether it is cationic or anionic or neutral. Say for example, हम बताओ तो ये वाला कौन सा कॉम्प्लेक्स?
Neutral.
Correct. It is neutral complex because there is no charge or nor cation or anion is present in the front or back. Say for example, one more example, K4FeCN6. So what type of complex it is?
Ionic.
Anionic complex. Cu NH3 whole 4 whole square bracket sulfate. So what type of complex it is?
Cationic complex.
Are you sure all of you? Only two are answering. अरे बुझलो ना आउथरे कहबी बुझी पारलो ना नहीं?
Yes, sir.
Okay, more simplified way is this. whenever complex part is in the left and anion in the right, this is anion. This is your cationic complex. So cation is always kept in the left. If the complex part is in the right, this is your anionic complex. Ratha Panigrai. So can you tell me, so which is cation, which is anion? Which is cation, which is anion? If I write NaCl, sodium chloride, which is cation, which is anion? Hey, have you seen sodium chloride? Ratha Panigrai. Ratha Panigrai. So have you seen sodium chloride? अरे कहाँ दिखा बताओ तो? भूल गया ना? सोडियम क्लोराइड इज नोन एज अ टेबल सॉल्ट. घर में जो खाता है ना, सो इंडियन करी बनाता है. सो इन इंडियन करी जस्ट यू पुट सोडियम क्लोराइड, दैट इज सोडियम क्लोराइड, NaCl. So Na is positively charged, chloride is negatively charged. So this is your cation and this is your anion. Are you clear? Cation and anion. So in this, which is cation, which is anion? ClNa I have written. Metal is cation, Na plus is cation, Cl minus is anion. Could you follow or not? Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Can you recognize cationic and anionic complex?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Very good, very good, very good. Type of complex is over. Now, next is here comfort, oxidation number, oxidation state. It is important. One mark question will be in your exam. So here in oxidation state, the rule written, the total oxidation state written, total oxidation state of the complex is equal to 0. Oxidation state of complex is 0. Oxidation state of monodentate ligand is equal to the charge. Number 3, oxidation state of neutral ligand is also 0. Keeping these 3 points in the mind, we can find the oxidation number. Say for example, K4FeCN6. First of all, you see everybody how I am doing. K4FeCN6 question will come. Find the oxidation number of underlined element. So potassium, Ratha Panigrai, please tell me, potassium is present in which group of the periodic table? Khireswari Ka, potassium present in which group of the periodic table? Very good. Oxidation state is +1. So मैं कैसे निकाल रहा हूँ थोड़ा देखो. This implies that 4 into +1 हाँ आपसे मुँह का सांगल जी 5 मिनट 4 into +1 plus x. So you take the oxidation number of iron Bx plus Sinchar.
Yes, sir.
So you tell the oxidation number of Cn minus. Hello? हाँ हाँ मुंटिक के बाहर अच्छे मैं आप तक कॉल कर ना हाँ Cn minus Khireswari Sinchar
6 into +1 plus x.
कौन कहलो मैं सुन पार लेने
6 into +1 plus x.
6 into +1 नहीं सियानाइड का चार्ज कितना है -1 6 into that is your -6 total is equal to 0 hence x is equal to +2 could you follow?
Yes, sir.
Okay, from next class onwards we'll start from here. Anybody's doubt?
No, sir.
Sure. So a little homework. So you have to do oxidation number. How to calculate oxidation number of the complex. Just you do some question. Next class I'll do. Thank you.
Thank you, sir.